Hey guys, Mike here. I want to show you guys a quick how-to video on how to assemble these KALLAX shelves from IKEA. They come in about 3 or 4 different sizes. This is the medium size. It doesn't come with a manual, so I figured let me guys show you how to assemble it. It takes a few minutes. Please check this out and I think it will help you. I'm going to post a picture of this set we got so you can see exactly which model this is. What's cool about it, that you can install them standing like this. You can have them standing this way, so it's multiple uses. We also bought a bigger one that we actually hung up on a wall. So check out at the end of the video, I have a picture of how that looks and how we mounted it. Alright, we're going to open this guy up, show you guys what's inside, and then we'll start assembly. Very simple. So the shelves, the back. These are the inner pieces of the little squares. These 2 long ones. That's it. That's the complete set. Show you guys what's inside the box here. So these are the clips to mount it to the wall. Pads for the bottom if you're gonna have it on a hardwood floor. Installation hardware, screws, and this is the wrench for assembly. And you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, I believe, for these guys. Yep. So we have that. So one thing to notice, when you see these 2 holes on the long piece, that's going against the wall. That's where the mounting bracket, which is this thing is going to connect to, and you secure it to the wall if you want to. So first we're going to assemble the top piece to the long side piece. This is the bare area, which obviously gets covered. You're looking for the 2 holes that the bolts will go in, and we're going to secure that right now. You use their fancy wrench they provide you with. Just slide that in so it gives you more hold. I'm just going to get these through. Alright, so we got these 2 sections connected. Now we start working on the inside. So first, we're going to grab one of the little guys. Put our 2 wooden pegs in it. You can use a mini hammer or just the back of your screwdriver. When I was building the bigger unit of this, they didn't give any extra wooden ones. So if you break it, you got to find a new one. So be careful. And we'll just pop them into the 2 holes here in the middle of the small piece. Just give it a good tap. That's it. So grab your long shelf, put 2 more pegs in here, and we're gonna pop that in here. Line it up. Now, we're getting 2 pegs. There's a hole going through it that we're gonna pop it into the small shelf. So you gotta make sure you line that up. So once I have it sticking out here, line it up with the hole. Get it in. Now the bottom should technically be lined up, but if it's not going through, you'll know. And now we continue with the same process. Pop in the small one. long shelf. side again.
So little.
We'll grab our bottom piece. Remember where the holes are? That's gonna go in here. So let me get the pegs lined up. Get our 2 bolts on our fancy IKEA wrench. Get our pegs in these. Get in our big piece. Remember to line up the rear holes on the same side you did the other one. So we've got to line all this up now. Now we just pop in our 4 bolts. Here's the shelf. I will put it in its spot, show you how it looks. So we decided it's gonna go here, but we're gonna put the same one standing sideways right next to it, and that's gonna look great. So we gotta pick one more up. But to show you guys, if you're gonna have a lot of heavy stuff with kids in the house, use these mounting brackets. They install right into these holes, and then you mount it into the wall. This cover covers it so it's not visible, and and it's nice and safe. So definitely use that if you think you need to. Guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please follow. Any questions, let us know, and come back for more soon. Here's the bigger version I was telling you guys. I mounted on the wall. This is has basically 1 extra row compared to the ones I just showed you assembly, but the assembly is the same. The way we installed this, put 3 L brackets into the studs in the wall. Then we put this board under it and put the shelf on top of it. You technically don't need the board, but it just made it that much more secure. We screwed it in to the board and to the brackets into the shelf. In addition to that, we have 3 brackets in here, the ones that come with it right there to the stud. We put a regular L bracket right there to a stud, and 1 more that comes with it over there. And that gives us this floating shelf, which came out awesome. Gives you extra space under. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.